everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to apply these plastic nails I bought from Temu. They come in tons of cute designs and they're super affordable and cheap. But here's something you need to know. I'll be showing you exactly what comes in this package, but if you want the nails to last longer, it's better to use glue, specifically glue designed for fake nails. Alright, let's open the package. Again, I'm only using what's included in the box, nothing extra. So, what do we have inside? So first we have the nail file. I'm going to explain about it a little bit later. And second, we have the nails themselves in various sizes, as you can see. And last but not least, we've got the adhesive stickers that match the different nail sizes. I want to show you that I've left a little bit of my natural nail at the tip. This helps the nails to stick better because it gives them more surface area to adhere to. Now let's start filing. I'm not really filing the tips, just slightly buffing. The nail file is mainly used to roughen the surface of the nail, which removes the natural oils that could prevent the glue from sticking properly. So just like this, I gently buff and prepare the nails for the application. After filing, I washed my hands with soap and dried them. Now we'll grab the adhesive stickers and start with the pinky nail. Again, each sticker is sized for a specific finger, so I've already laid out the nails I'm going to use. I recommend you to do the same, so you don't have to fumble with the nails once the glue is on. It makes things much easier. So I'm now peeling off this protective layer. It has no glue, it's not sticky or anything. This is dry on both sides. Okay, so I'm starting with the pinky nail. Pay attention, there's a special tab here to hold the adhesive sticker. If you grab it from the other side, like so, you'll be touching the glue, which isn't a great thing. So make sure you're holding it by the designated tab. Here's what you need to do. Bend the clear sheet slightly so the tab pops out. Then simply pull it off. Great, now it's time to apply it to the pinky. Make sure to stick it at an angle, not straight on. Edge to edge diagonally. I'm doing this on a flat surface. I'm gently lining up the edges. And be precise so it doesn't stick out beyond the nail and sits neatly on top. Once it's placed, press it down firmly. Remember, these adhesive stickers are not super strong, so you'll want to secure it a bit by pressing. Now I'll carefully pull the layer off from the same tab I used earlier. Be gentle when removing it so to ensure the adhesive stays on the nail and doesn't peel off with the layer. And there you have it. The stick is on, the adhesive is right where it should be, ready for the next step. Alright, so now we take the piece we prepared earlier, specifically for the pinky finger. Once again, we don't place it straight but diagonally, aligning edge to edge. Press it firmly into place, making sure it's secure. Don't skip this step of pressing firmly, as it ensures the nails last as long as possible. I keep pressing firmly and that's it. Then I move on to the next nail, applying the same method for all fingers, and that's it.